What will we do in this video? Because it's going to carry on from morning to afternoon. Um, we're in that transition time. Sorry. All right. We'll find something to do. That's just my schoolwork. Um, I don't know. I don't know, guys. What to look at? Do you? I wish you could speak back to me, but you can't. Let's go to our NOAA CFS monthly outlook. We can't do winter forecasts all the time, so if you're gonna go and complain about that one, well, I don't know what to tell you guys. But we do have a forecast for September out, an ensemble, meaning many members. Um, and here it looks like this. A warm September. So that's that. I gotta look at the Jamstack. I'm like a Jamstack addict junkie over here. Sorry guys, forgive me. Um, I just love this model. I'm passionate. I'm a little bit obsessed, but I'm also passionate about it. I just something about it turns me on in a good way. All right, let's take a look at our winter SSTs. Um, and again, uh, this is a Mordecai, okay? And I gotta address these stupid annoying issues because I had a subscriber say it's not a Mordecai. Well, should I even go? No, I'm not even gonna go there. It's a Mordecai. You can take my word for it. I hope so. This is a Mordecai. The chart says so. So if you're gonna argue against the chart, I don't know where the hell you're getting your information from. It's not from me in this channel. Because I don't lie to you about factual stuff where you can see it. Um, let's take a look at our um El Nino 2-year forecast. Oh man, I can't have it. Okay. Okay, what else can we do? This is dead meat. All right. Let's take a look at Weather Bell again. No, we didn't do that this video. We did the last video, but it got cut off, so I'm doing it now. Sorry, I'm enjoying pizza in front of you all. I need to eat too, man. Okay. I hate the freaking internet connection. Okay. So, there's really nothing major to look at, but Joey Bisardi basically confirmed what I told you guys yesterday. We have Nino 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? 4? Okay, wait, where's my other finger at? I'm sorry. Four regions of the ENSO we measure it in. I get a chart, but I don't want to do that because I'm already doing this. So Nino 1 is right by South America. It's off the coast. You go to Nino 2, that's a little bit farther west of the other one. You go to Nino 3 and 4, it's right towards the western part of the Pacific Ocean, basically. So this is Nino 3, 4. Right now, it is very strong, and we want it going negative because the only ones we want to be positive are our middle regions, which are basically 2 and 3. So again, this is 3, 4, so this kind of goes into the 4 category, and we want this. This is okay if it goes cold. So I'm kind of trying to figure this out. Nino 3, 4. Yeah, we do want this cold. I got a brain fart. I hate. At least I recovered it from it. Okay, so we want Nino 4 cold, and we want Nino 1 cold, so that the middle sections of Nino 2 and 3 are warm. That is your Mordecai. And again, we have a forecast of Mordecai, so I'm not going to get too much into that. We'll take another look at our NAO. That's a fact we got to check out this winter very strongly because right now we're on the ballpark. We blew it out of the stadium with our latest NAO run. We're over a month negative, and it just continues the trend. It's kind of scarily looking. If we can get that to continue into September, October, November, December, wow, that would set up some major cold. The good thing about this is there's many influential factors that can still surprise us this winter. Like, for example, we know it's going to be a cold and snowy winter, and we primarily know where and when and how. But there's a lot of surprises still that we can dive deep into analytically and surprisingly and theoretically. So let's take a look at our 12 a.m. 500 heights just for days 6 through 10. Okay, nothing special here. I do want to look at a European if I can get that, because there was an Atlantic hurricane yesterday that spawned up, but there it is. I don't know if that will affect land yet or not, but right now it looks to be a fish storm, and that would be, excuse me, September 6th. And as you can see, we got a nice teleconnection between our MJO correlation. In other words, we have a lot of energy in the Eastern Pacific and also in the Western Atlantic. So again, when those MJO phases come around, they go from ocean across landmass to ocean, because again, it's the atmospheric energetic factor of the environment, which is kind of cool. I think it all plays a part and together. So I think that's always cool to look at. Let's close off because I gotta cut these shorter. These get very degrading the more I talk into them, because then I lose the meat of what I was gonna say. So let's just keep this simple. We're gonna look at our we're gonna do our Sea of M's V2 seasonal, because that's our latest run, even though it doesn't show winter yet. So we're gonna look at month by month, just our temps, I think, unless I change my mind. So here's August temperatures, September, October, November. So you can see, okay, it's going cold into winter, which kind of sets up your thought pattern. Okay, cold winter ahead. I mean, we can nail this from every front on the chalkboard, but now I don't want to like brag and boast about, oh, cold winter and stuff anymore. I kind of want to like be more fun and theoretical, because I'm always analytical regardless in my updates. But in the future, let's go into some more fun stuff, okay? So I'm getting annoyed about saying it's going to be cold and snowy. I just realized that right now. It clicked. I'm like, this is annoying to me. I'm sure it's annoying to you then, also hearing me spout it out. So, okay, I'm going to do my best in theory to cancel out the whole cold and snowy winter. Okay, I think we're moving on from that. Now we're going to take a look at not just our factors, like major factors. We're going to take a look at teleconnections and minor microcosm factors, and not just minor microcosm factors, but every factor that can get out at us to surprise us this winter, we're going to look for. So we're going to make this more fun, because we're going to dive into